Every sheet of paper you touch begins with a tree, and a process most people never see.
Every sheet of paper begins far from the factory floor. Here, raw material is carefully selected, not taken at random. Precision matters even at the very first cut. Only usable wood moves forward in the process. From forest floor to transport, timing is everything. Consistency begins before the factory is even reached. Every load is measured, checked, and prepared. Transport is controlled, monitored, and deliberate. Nothing moves unless it meets specification. Raw material leaves its origin behind and begins its journey toward production.
Arrival begins long before the gate.
Quality control starts before unloading, and the handoff to the factory begins.
The facility receives raw material without interruption. Entry into the plant is fully mechanized. Flow control prevents congestion before processing begins.
This is where the factory takes over.
Human oversight remains constant.
Each piece is measured before moving on. The path forward is fixed and controlled. Preparation begins before transformation. With bark removed, cleaning begins immediately. Surface impurities are stripped away. Only clean material moves forward. Sorting ensures uniform processing. Consistency is maintained through spacing. Human eyes verify what machines cannot. Defects are isolated without stopping flow. Approved material advances to reduction. Preparation gives way to conversion. Solid wood becomes the foundation of paper. Chips now replace logs in the process. Material is transferred without exposure. Chemical processing begins at scale. Controlled conditions are essential. Heat and chemistry work together. Solid structure begins to break down.
Only refined fiber proceeds. Uniformity is established here.
The process tightens its focus. Water is removed, fiber by fiber.
Pressure gives the sheet its first strength.
Fiber starts becoming paper.
The structure is preserved as moisture falls away.
Heat now replaces pressure. Moisture leaves, form remains. Paper now exists as a continuous material. Finishing begins at the surface. Stability prepares it for precision. Precision is enforced continuously. Exact dimensions are enforced. Speed is maintained without interruption. One sheet becomes many formats. Consistency is constantly verified. Automation now takes primary control. Uniform output replaces raw volume. Transformation reaches its full form. Texture is refined, not altered. Identification completes the unit. Machines respond faster than human hands. Traceability is built into every unit. Automation verifies what it creates. Production moves toward refinement. Automation hands off to final precision.
Human confirmation remains essential.
Protection ensures integrity beyond the line.
Weight confirms specification.
Finished rolls are organized for handling. Finished rolls are organized for handling.
Manual handling remains controlled. Finishing gives way to verification. Before release, every batch is verified. Quality is confirmed through touch and sight. Random samples represent the whole. Dimensions must match specification. Strength is measured, not assumed. Moisture levels are verified precisely.
Approval is data-driven.
Only verified product moves forward.
The process nears completion.
Verified paper awaits dispatch.
Nothing here is placed by chance.
Orders are prepared before wheels ever move. Finished paper is ready to travel.
Protection continues beyond the factory.
The production cycle completes its purpose.
Every step connects to the next. And this is how modern factories produce paper from start to finish.
Production never truly stands still.